Ja, big.
Hey guys, it's Mark here, back again with another video, and today we are doing something called the Exploding Watermelon Challenge. What we will need is this watermelon, who's scared is gonna explode.
And these elastics, which are gonna make it suffocate till it explodes.
Oh yeah, this is Jason.
Hey guys. It's
Back
Jason.
again in another video. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna use this watermelon and these elastic bands, and we're each gonna take a chance, put an elastic band around the watermelon, and normally it's the first one who makes it, the one that makes it explode loses, but we're gonna do it differently. Instead of one that makes it explode is the winner. Therefore we'll keep putting on and not be scared because we'll want it to explode, but we're probably scared and this doesn't matter. So we're gonna start now. I don't think there'd be that many actually.
It's open to play.
No, it's open all the packets.
So let's bless me. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, let's go.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
Okay. It's gonna take a while, guys. Shame.
I was thinking let's start.
What's Carl's favorite joke?
What's a cow's favorite joke? What's this thing like? Not explode, but it falls off and you're just like, ah! And then it knocks into the ground.
Dramatic. Forces of tension, children. Learn that in science.
So bad at this. I just want it to be perfect.
You just get my turn.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later.
On my side, you're putting it up here on the top.
Down here,
Or the
at
top.
bottom.
I'm so sorry.
They're watching.
Ow! No. Ow.
Ah!
No! I feel like I shouldn't have wet the watermelon. No, the elastics are freaking sliding on.
Yeah.
What are they doing? Do you see any changes happening? Dude, look how wide yours is and look how perfect mine is. Dude, this thing's already like going for shisha as a canteen, but I got watermelon to keep me clean. Okay, so I sort of did like a fast forward time lapse thingy with a few parts. I didn't film it all because I mean I thought it'd be boring if you guys were just watching the same thing over and over. Filming.
It's just taking forever.
And it's taking forever.
It's doing nothing.
Literally going.
This is a stupid melon. Bugs in melon.
I bought an extra bag because I thought, you know what? There's no ways we'll need this many. And then I was like, what happens if we don't have enough? And then I poured all the bags of elastics out and I was like, okay, yes, no ways, we've got like too much. But I literally think we're gonna run out of water, elastic things, and nothing is going to happen.
He's only done that about one or twice.
By once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times.
Can't you just explode? We'll have to write to the damn shop and I'll have to pick up some more bands and then we've got to put them back on again. My accent's like a mixture of everything. Change of plans. We ran out of elastics. Now we're just gonna maybe cut it a little bit. Limit it one.
Ja, big.
You almost died the wrong way.
No. Dude, it's squeezing! At this point in the video, there are no winners and losers. We just want the damn thing to explode. This has been like frustrating. Okay. Frustrating.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, wait. Yeah.
Push it.
Look at all this. the hell? Dude, it left like, guys, it left a ball, like an elastic ball. Some of them are broken, obviously. And then these two damn things, it broke the damn chair. So that was very interesting. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any videos that you'd like me to try out and do. And I'll try to get to them. And yeah, so anyway, like and subscribe. The subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next week with another video.